Good evening, Keshav, Divya, Ekta, Sharmila, Jiva, Merunisha, Rahul, Rajesh. Good evening, Jiva, Kanishka, Vishal, Satyashri, Kanishka. Good evening, beta. Sharmila, good evening. I saw that. Okay. Now listen. We will first revise with some very important questions. You know that surface area. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, chapter wise revision we are going to do. Today surface area and volume part 1 I am going to give you. Then part 2 we will revise. Okay. Don't worry. Offline class also Sunday I am going to keep for a final doubt clearance. Means whatever question doubt you will be having, Sunday morning I am going to clear your doubt. That will be offline class. Fine. Okay, no problem. I started now only, bit. I started now only. I was selecting some important questions for all of you. Shall we start for some very important question? Okay. Now look here. Question is the inner diameter. Yes. Start the session. Okay, I'm just starting the session. Everyone listen to the questions very nicely and then you have to answer the question perfectly. Question is the inner diameter of a circular well. The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. It is 10 meter deep. Aishwarya, hi Aishwarya. Now look here, beta. Find this inner curved surface area. You have to find quickly its inner curved surface area. Everybody start solving inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area. So like these type of questions only will be coming. 2 marks will be there. Like each division will be coming for 2 marks. So first part question what they have given that find the inner curved surface area. The second part of the question is exactly what? The cost of plastering this curved surface area. The cost of plastering the inner curved surface area. The cost of plastering the inner curved surface area at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Come on, try this question fast. So now surface area and volume formulas you are already knowing. So the most important thing is you are knowing the formulas. We have already done enough of revisions. We have already discussed many of the questions of surface area and volume. Now it's time to answer the questions. Means any question will be thrown on you. How you are going to compete with that question, fight with that question, solve that question, that is very important to see. So I'm just seeing that how fastly you are solving the question. Give me both the answers. Shruti, that was very quick, beta. The answer given by Shruti is Keshav has given only one answer. Keshav, check the amount, check the number. Okay, Keshav 10 is extra for you. If Shruti and your answer I am comparing, then I am seeing that your answer and Shruti answer is exactly coming with a difference. Now look here. The thing here is, now everyone understand, those who have not solved, yes Keshav, now it is absolutely correct. Those who have not solved, first listen to me what is given to you to solve. So in examination, when this question will be coming, when these type of question will be coming, how you are going to handle the question, that is very important. So first you see how you are going to handle the question. One well is given to you. Fine. One well is given to you. one well is given to you. Now that exactly depth of that height of that well given is 10 meter. Height of that well is given as 10 meter. Fine. And now what they have given that its a diameter is 3.5. So once diameter is given 3.5, so radius will be 3.5 by 2 meter. Radius is coming as 3.5 by 2 meter. Absolutely correct. Everyone after solving start answering the question. So here depth, diameter is coming as 3.5, radius is coming as 3.5 by 2 meter. So now exactly what they are asking, that they have to exactly find the csa of the inner region. So csa of the inner region, what is the formula for csa? So csa, curved surface area of cylinder, is 2 pi rh. So it's a very straightforward question. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5 by 2 into height is coming as 10. Into height is coming as 10. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. It will come as 0.5. So here it is exactly going to come as 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 1 11 into 10. So 100% it is coming as 110 meter square. After that, the same CSA. See, look here. If some, I think this question is done, but rupees is 60. Yes, like this only the questions will be coming. There will be small changes in the question, and you have to cope with the question. Now here, the next part is exactly they're telling that what is the cost of plastering. So if somebody will plaster the inner wall of the well, then what they have to do. So first thing is that when they are plastering the inner part of the well, first important work for plastering is we have to find plastering at a cost of rupees 40 per meter square. That means if I am going to plaster 1 meter square, then you are going to provide me 40 rupees. This is the concept. Okay, then what is the total cost of plastering? So total cost of plastering will be how much is the first surface area. See, one thing is there, you are not going to plaster this base. We cannot plaster the base. If base will be plastered, then how water table will be exactly giving water there. So we are not going to plaster the base, only we are going to plaster the curved surface area. So curved surface area is 2 pi rh. So rupees 40 per meter square into 110. So this is exactly going to be, so meter square, so this and this will get cancelled. It will come 4400. So rupees 4400 meter square. So total cost will be 4400. This was the first question. Okay, fine. Now next question I am telling you. Ready everyone? Next question is, the students of Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating pen holders. So now look here, I'm just reading out one part of the question. Second part of the question, everybody very good, Satyashri good. Now look here, now next part of the question is a student is there. There is a competition going on. So I'm just going to give you the data there, and with the help of that you have to solve the question, because the question is pretty big. I cannot write the question on screen. Now listen, I'm going to read out the question properly. There is the student of a Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition. So exactly one school is there, and the name of the school is Vidyalaya. Now the students were asked to participate in a competition. What they are asked to do? They were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating pen holders in the shape of cylinder. So that means they have to make a pen holder in the shape of cylinder. Are you understanding? Means just imagine your class is there, and in your school one competition is going on, and in that competition the teacher told to make a pen holder, and the shape of the pen holder will be cylindrical. What should be the shape of the pen holder? The shape of the pen holder will be cylindrical with a base using cardboard. So the base will be exactly cardboard. The base will be cardboard. The base will be exactly cardboard. Each pen holder was to be of radius 3 centimeter. So when you are going to make, the radius of the pen holder has to be 3 centimeter. The radius has to be 3 centimeter. Radius has to be 3 centimeter, and height is 10.5. Height is 10.5 centimeter. Okay. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with cardboard. So Vidyalaya is exactly going to provide competitors with cardboard. So that means in school itself will be providing you cardboard, and you have to exactly cut the cardboard, and you have to shape it in the form of cylinder. Okay, so now cardboard, if there were 35 competitors, how many total number of competitors are, total number of competitors, total number of competitors, if total number of competitors are 35, how many number of competitors are there? Total number of competitors are 35. And how much cardboard was required to be brought for the competition? So how much cardboard are required for how much cardboards are required for competition? How much cardboard required for competition? Come on, tell me what will be the answer. So here directly you have to just get the number of cardboard, Kanishka. I don't know. I cannot tell you the answer right now because the moment I'll open my mouth, answer will come out. You think what could be the shape of the pen holder and how the pen holder should look like? Imagine in your school, in your home, you might have made a pen holder. What should be the shape? A cylindrical shape is there. Then how the pen holder will be like? How the pen holder will be like? How the pen holder will be like? Think about and just tell the answer how the pen holder will be like. What should be the shape of the pen holder? You itself have to decide the shape of the pen holder. Means how the pen holder will be looking. What should be the shape of the pen holder? Come on, quickly tell me. Yeah, pen stand, pen holder, whatever you wish to say, that only. Yes, pen holder or pen stand, whatever you wish to say, that only. So that is exactly how it will be looking like. First imagine. I have drawn also how it could be. Now you can decorate. Decoration is totally in your hand. But right now we are not talking about decoration. We are more or less talking about how that pen stand will be looking. How it will be looking, like this shape will be looking. In this you can put the pen like this. Come on, go for it. You can be able to solve. Quickly see how you are going to solve this question. 7290 square centimeter. Very good, Shrutika. So Shrutika has given the answer first. Let's see. So now total number of competitors are 35. So you have to understand one thing. If you are making a pen holder and the shape of the pen holder is in the size, in the shape of cylinder, and in that cylinder, okay, one more thing is there. In that cylinder, the base is exactly has to be covered now. Base has to be covered, then only the pen will hold now, otherwise the pen will fall down. Okay, so that means what will be the surface area? So surface area will be 2 pi RH. What will be the surface area? 2 pi RH plus, that is the curved surface area. Now curved surface area along with the base, and base will be in the form of a circle, so it will become pi r square. So curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH plus pi r square. Curved surface area 2 pi RH plus pi r square. So it is exactly going to be, then what we are going to do? Shall we do some shortcut method? Pi shall we take out, because radius is given as 3 centimeter, height is given as 10.5 centimeter. So I am just going to take out pi, I am going to take out r, and then I am going to keep here pi and r taken out, so 2h is left. Here pi and r taken here, so r is coming here. So now it is exactly going to come as 22 by 7 into 3, and there 2 into 10.5 plus 3. So it is exactly going to be 66 into 7 into, but how many people are there? Total how many competitors are there? So since the cardboard has to be distributed among 35 competitors, so here it will become 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. I'm just multiplying this. 2 5s are 10. Then 1 will come because 10.5 is there, 2 is there. So 2.5, 2 5s are 10, 1 will come, 2 1s are 2. So 210 is coming. So plus 3. So it is exactly going to come as 66 into 24 by 7 square centimeter. This is the area of the surface area of one cardboard. So total surface area of one cardboard will be the Ashwin, Ekta, everybody got that answer 7290. Okay. So one cardboard means exactly one piece of cardboard you are taking and you are converting it into a cylinder of radius 3 centimeter, you and height 10.5 centimeter. You are utilizing this much centimeter square of cardboard. But how many competitors are there? So total there 35 competitors are there. So since 35 competitors are there, 35 competitors are there. So how many competitors are there? 35 competitors. So total cardboard required is so what will be the amount of cardboard required? In this 66 into 24 into 7 by divided by 7 by 35. So this because 35 competitors are there. So we are just going to now this 5 will come. So now 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30, 33 into 24 is coming. So we are going to put 0. So 24, 33. So 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 1 7. Here 2 and 7. So 7920 square centimeter. 7920 square centimeter. Absolutely correct. So the total amount of cardboard required is 7920 square centimeter. Absolutely correct. Shall we go for the next question, please? The next question is now another question is, I hope many of you have given the answer. Absolutely correct, beta. Now many of you have given the answer. We are going to go for the next question. The difference between outside and inside, the difference between outside and inside, the difference between outside and inside surface area of cylindrical metallic pipe of height 14 centimeter is 44 square centimeter. If the pipe is made up of if the pipe is made up of 99 cubic centimeter of metal, find the outer and inner radii of the pipe. Find the outer and inner radii of the pipe. It's really a very good question. Try this question out. It's really a very good question. Let's see who can answer the question as fast as possible. Try out. Can I solve? Can I give you a clue how to solve this question? Can I help, beta? Okay, Sharmila. Now look here, beta. What is given? The difference between outside and inside surface area of cylindrical metallic pipe of height 14 is 44 square centimeter. So first we are going to exactly draw a hollow cylinder. Okay. Hollow cylinder means this is cylinder inside. Now outside will be like this. So now beta look here. Here first work what they are telling that they are informing you that difference between the inner and the outer. So 100% beta outer curved surface area will be more because it is a metallic cylinder. So outer curved surface area will be more. So outer curved region will be more. So this is the outer region. So this is the outer region. So this will be the outer region will be more and inner region will be what? Inner region will be this. So this is the inner region. So what they are telling that this is the outer and this is the inner region. Now height given is, the height of the cylinder given is 14 centimeter and they are telling that the difference between outside and inside surface area of a cylindrical metallic pipe. So pipe means what? This one and this mouth will be open. So since it is a metallic pipe, so 100% this mouth will be open. Metallic pipe means mouth will be open from both sides. So now what we have to do? First we have to find the difference. So what is CSA of outside and CSA of inside? So difference in surface area will be equal to CSA of outside pipe minus CSA of inside pipe. Now outside radius if we will take, outside radius we will take capital R, then inside radius we will take it as small r. Okay, outside radius is capital R, inside radius will become small r. So now what we are going to write? So difference in surface area already given. Difference in surface area is 44. So here it will become 44 equal to 2 pi RH minus 2 pi RH. So 44 will be equal to 2 into 22 by 7. Height given is 14. And here it is coming as R minus R. So now this and this will get cancelled, 2 will come. So now 44 by 88, because here it will be equal to R minus R. So it is exactly going to come as R minus R will be coming as 1 by 2. Take it as equation 1. Fine. R minus 1 is coming as equation 2. So 40.541 and 40.5 and 41. Okay, let's check this one out, beta. Let's check what answer is coming. We'll see. So exactly here R minus R is coming as half. So now next what they are telling is, they are telling that if the pipe is made up of 99 cubic centimeter of metal, so 100% what the pipe is a hollow pipe now, so only water will come out. So that means volume will be what? For such figure volume will be For such figure, volume will be outside surface volume minus inside surface volume. So 100% when we are going to write, volume of pipe will be equal to volume of pipe will be equal to pi r square h minus pi r square h, and the volume is exactly given as 99. The volume is exactly given as 99. So now 22 by 7 into h, here r square minus r square will be equal to 99. So now here most important thing is height given is 14. So 22 by 7, here height is coming as 14. Another thing is r minus r equal to half we got. So here r square, a square minus b square will become a plus b, a minus b equal to 99. So here 2 is coming. So r minus r is half. So it is exactly going to come as 44 into r plus r into half is equal to 99. So now this and this will cancel how many times? 22 times. So now r plus r will be coming as 99 by 22. So it is 11 9s are 11 2s are. So r plus r is coming as 9 by 2. Take this as equation 2. And here we are substituting using equation 1. Using equation 1, we are substituting the value. So now next work what we are going to do here is, we are just going to use equation 1 and 2. If we will add equation 1 and 2, listen to me nicely, okay, 2.5 and 2, very good. So if we are going to add equation 1 and 2, if we are going to add equation 1 and 2, then what will happen? So r minus r equal to 1 by 2, r plus r equal to 9 by 2. So now this and this will get cancelled. 2r equal to 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2. So it is exactly going to come as 2r equal to 10 by 2. So it is coming as 5. So r will be 5 by 2, that is 2.5 centimeter. So capital R is coming as 2.5 centimeter. So what will be small r? So 2.5 minus r equal to 0.5. So 2.5 minus 0.5 is equal to r. So r will be coming as 2 centimeter. Absolutely correct, Shrutika. I hope Shrutika only got the answer. What about Vishal? No, Darshini, these type of questions, now when they have given hollow cylinder, you have to understand one thing. I'm just moving from there. So when they will be giving you these type of questions, you have to remember only one very important thing, that the cylinder will be, that pipe will be hollow. Now pipe we are talking about, how can we close the pipe? If we will close the pipe, then water will not be able to flow through that now. So 100% for that only what we are doing, we are making the pipe mouth will be exactly open. So only we are only going to find the CSA, not we are only going to find the CSA, not we are going to put the lid on top and bottom. I hope you might have understood this point. Shall we go for the next one? Fine. Next question is a well with 10 meter DM inside. I'm just writing the question better. A well with 10 DM inside diameter is dug (28 meter deep), earth taken out of it is spread okay, earth taken out of it is spread all around to a width of, spread all around to a width of 5 dm to form an embankment. Decimeter. It is decimeter. To form an embankment. To form an embankment. To form an embankment. Find the height of embankment. Find the height of embankment. Okay, what is the meaning of embankment, Krisha? Now look here, beta. Look here. So one well you are, this is the land. Now here, what you are doing is you are digging a well, sorry. Now this well you have taken, now whatever soil came out, now this soil, you are making an embankment around it. So this is exactly the embankment. Okay, this is exactly the embankment. So you are making an embankment around it. Now what they are telling that, so this will be the level of the soil. This will be the level of the soil and this is the embankment. Now a well with 10 dm inside diameter. So inside diameter is given as 10 decimeter. Okay, and now after that is dug from ground now, from ground level 28 meter deep it is dug. Okay, 28 meter deep it is dug. Earth taken out of it spread all around a width of 5 dm. So exactly this width is given as 5 dm. This width is given as 5 dm. So width is exactly given to you as how much? 5 dm. Now that means inner diameter is coming as, so small radius. So inner diameter is 10 dm. Okay, so radius will be 5 dm. Now width is coming as 5 dm. So outer radius will be 5 width plus radius 5. So total will become 5 plus 5, 10 dm. So radius, capital radius means capital R is coming as this much. So now, but what they are telling that, ki how much volume of soil you are taking out from the well, that much volume of soil is used to make this embankment. Okay, so how much volume of soil we are taking out from here, we are just making this embankment with the help of that much volume of soil. So the volume of soil taken out from the well will be equal to volume of soil used to make the embankment around the well. Understood? So I'm just writing this statement so that you can understand what you are going to write here. Volume of soil taken out from well will be equal to volume of soil taken out from well is equal to volume of soil used to make the embankment around the well. Okay, volume of soil taken out from well will be equal to volume of soil used to make the embankment around the well. Fine, used to make the embankment around the well. So, volume of soil taken out from the well will become pi r square h, this much, because here this is the volume of the well. So, this is exactly the volume of the well. So, this only soil will be coming out to make this embankment. Fine. And volume of soil used to make the embankment. But embankment is like a pipe na, hollow cylinder. The embankment is just like a hollow cylinder. So we are going to write volume of embankment. And volume of embankment is what? Pi r square, first capital R, pi capital R square, but here height is exactly different. We don't know the height of this. We know the height of the well, but we don't know the height of embankment. So let the height of embankment be, let the height of embankment be capital H. So it will become pi r square h minus pi r square h. Here one small work you have to do. You have to convert 28 meter into decimeter. Fine. Because you know millicenti decimeter. So 28 meter will be 28 by 10 millicenti decimeter. So it will become 280 decimeter. Decimeter is a smaller unit. Meter is a bigger unit. So it will become 280 decimeter. Hi Shika, how are you beta? After so long I am seeing your name. How are you? So now it is exactly going to come as 2 pi r square h. So pi you take common, h you take common, and here pi will be coming out. Okay, and now r square is there and h is there. So this will become r square minus r square. So this pi and this pi will get cancelled. Small r is what? Small r means radius is exactly 5. So 5 square, and height for this one is coming as 280 decimeter. So now here h is there. Now capital R is 100, 10 square minus 5 square. So it is exactly going to come as 280 into 25 by 100 minus 25. 100 minus 25 will become 75 equal to h. So 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15. A height is coming in decimal. Height is coming in decimal beta. Height is coming in decimal. How you got? I am fine beta. You are getting 14. For me height is coming as decimal. So 3 height will be coming as 280 divided by 3, 3 7s are 20, 3 9s are 27, 1 0, 3 3s are 9, 1.0, so 93.33, 93.33, so 93.33 will be coming, 93.33, come on check this one out. Check one more time. Yes beta. Yes. Because we have converted everything in dm. So it will be coming 93.33 dm. 93.33 dm. 93.33 dm will be coming. Absolutely correct. That is what beta. When you will be doing it, you will be getting the answer as Shikha. Everyone come on quickly tell me, did you understood the question? Question is very simple beta. Now again one more time I am explaining the question, and when such questions will be coming, it will 100% be coming for 3 mark or 4 mark. So you have to be very precisely explain first part again. Sharmila, I am going to explain beta. Now look here, the first part of the question point by point if you are going to understand, then understand this part. First what they have given that they they told that inner radius. See, Sharmila, one very important point here is कि when you are finding, first work is you have to take out the soil from the well. You have to take out the soil from the well. Okay, so now when you are taking out the soil from the well, now this soil whatever came out, now you are not going to waste the soil. What you are doing is you are exactly taking the soil and making an embankment around it. Okay, so whatever soil came out, with that you are making the embankment around the well. So that means volume of soil coming out from the well at the time of making will be equal to volume of embankment. Understood? This is the concept, and that's why I wrote this statement. Okay, so now here what you have to do is volume of soil taken out from the well will be exactly equal to volume of embankment. So next work what I have done here is कि first this small radius is coming as 5 centimeter. Now they have given that width of the embankment. Width of the embankment is coming as 5 dm. Width of the embankment is 5 dm. So you have to understand one thing, that here from center to this point it is exactly capital radius r. So now this r will be coming as 5 plus 5. So this will be coming as total 10 dm. 10 dm. This will be coming as, so capital R is coming as 10 dm, small r is coming as 5 dm. Okay, so what will be the width of this? So what will be the width of total of this? So now we have to just see this width. So capital R is coming as 10, small r is coming as 5. So this work is over. Height of the well is exactly given as 28 meter. If we will convert 28 into 10, it will get converted into dm. So decimeter. 280 decimeter. It is going to convert it into 280 decimeter beta. So once all these values are there, then we know that how much soil is coming out from the well, that much soil will be exactly going to get distributed around the well. So that time it will be written as pi r square h, means this height of the well only they are asking. So what is the height of the embankment? So the height of the embankment we have considered as h. So that is volume of the outer region minus volume of the inner region will give you the volume of the embankment. It will give you the volume of the embankment, and once you got the volume of the embankment beta, so volume of the embankment will be equal to pi r square h. Volume of the embankment will be equal to pi r square h. I hope you might have understood how to solve these type of questions. Yes, absolutely correct, Krisha. So I hope you might have understood. Shall we go for the next question, please? Now one typical question I am going to give it to you. If because accidentally they will be asking like these type of questions, how you are going to handle the question? If V be the volume of a cuboid of dimensions and S is the surface area, then you have to prove that how to prove it. Try this question out. It's such an easy question. You will be able to solve in no time. Once I will show you the clue now, you will be able to solve it in no time. Okay, I'm going to side. हाँ 2/s. Can I solve? It's really an easy question, trust me. I'm moving, see the screen. It's really a very good question, beta. Try this question out. Anyone solved? Done? Super, Shika. Now look here, beta. In this question now, what is exactly given to you? So now they told that a cuboid is there and dimension of cuboid. So first we are going to draw a cuboid. The dimension of the cuboid will be what? Keshav, Vishal, Shrutika, everyone tell me. The dimension of cuboid is exactly A, B and C. So what will be the volume? So volume is exactly coming as A, B and C. So volume is coming as what? Volume is coming as A, B, C. Fine. Now after getting the volume, what you have to do is you have to find the total surface area. So total surface area or surface area is coming as 2AB plus BC plus AC, because A is length, B is breadth, so B stands for breadth, H is exactly height. So H is exactly coming as height. Fine. So here you got this one. Now what they are telling that volume now in proof part they are telling that 1 by volume. So first work what we are going to do is we will be taking this side. Shall we take this side? RHS. LHS I am going to leave it and I am just going to write for RHS. Fine. So now let's see this. These are the two findings. Now I am going to use RHS. So when I am going to use RHS, how I am going to use RHS? You know that RHS part is written as 2 by S, 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. And we have to exactly prove it equal to LHS. So RHS is this one. So now 2S, first work is we will take LCM. So ABC will be written. Now next is here A is there, so BC will go up. Here B is there, so AC. C is there, so AB. So now it will become 2 will go and multiply 2BC plus AC plus AB by S into ABC. So now you know that 2AB, BC, AC is nothing but S. So we are going to write 2S by S. So here 2S is there. So here 2S will become, total S will come because this much is S. So S by S, ABC, this will get cancelled. And you know ABC is nothing but V. So it will come 1 by B. That will be equal to LHS. Super Shika. I hope everybody understood. Now, this question was not tough exactly. So, this question was really needing some assistance. Assistance means given some questions like this is given to you, and it totally depends upon you how you are handling the question. Most of the time, now we are getting scared. And by feeling that scare, now we are leaving the question like, okay, this is not in my reach, I will never be able to solve this question. But think beyond that, like, okay, I can be able to solve, and nothing is impossible. And once you will have this attitude, now nothing is impossible and you can be able to do it, that day itself will be the new day. And look here, there also what we have done here, I just drew a cuboid and I just wrote the sides, volume found, surface area wrote, and then I thought that okay, what to do after that, because volume, surface area, after this what we are going to do. Then one small work, we took the RHS side. In RHS side, only one work is important for you. Arrange it nicely. So this one 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So you just take LCM of it nicely. Once you are taking LCM, BC plus AC plus AB by ABC is coming. So you should know how to take the LCM part of it. Fine. And once you are able to take the LCM part of it, trust me, nobody can stop you after that. So here AB 2 BC AC AB is coming, and that is nothing but the surface area. So surface area killed each other. So 1 by ABC is nothing but 1 by B, and 1 by EB is equal to RHS. That's it. Story over. That's it. Story over. You will be able to do it. No time you took. So shall we go for some next question, please? This coming question you will 100% like. Ma'am, it will be easy if you give the formula in the question paper. I will be giving formula. Just ask from the school, will they give you the formula, dear? If they will give you, then 100% now I will give all the formulas to you. Custom say I'll give you all the formulas. So now look here, 125%, this is a really good question. 125% can sleep in a room of dimension, can sleep in a room of dimension, they will only give beatings. No. My students will never give beatings. Dimension given is 25 meter into 9.8 meter. Okay. After this, if each person requires if each person requires 12.25 cubic meter of air, find the height of the room. It's really a very good question, trust me. You only need to think very nicely. So when such type of puzzle questions are coming now, you only need to do one thing. Think about the question very properly. You will 100% be able to solve it. Think about it. You will be able to solve it. Can I solve? Board is blur. No, it is not blur. Solve it. Okay, exactly. See, think about one person is needing this much of volume, and total how many persons are there? 125 persons are there. So how much volume 125% will take? And exactly 125% are exactly inside that room. So volume of 125% will be equal to volume of the room. Now think about it. Think about it. Now look here. We are going to just use one concept is, so this is exactly the room. In that 125 people are there. Exactly how much it is coming? 6.25 meter. Very good, Shika. Let's see this one. So here 125 person can sleep in a room of dimension this much. So length of the room is 25 meter. Width of the room is 9.8 meter. Now height we have to find. Fine. So now what we have to do here is we have to find the height. So now if each person requires 12.25 meter cube of air, find the height of the room. 12.25 meter cube of air. So one person requires 12.25 cubic meter. So 125% requires 125 into this much of volume. Therefore, volume of room is 125 into 1 to 2.5. Now we have to find what? We have to find the height. Shruti also, Sharmina, Shrutika also got the answer. So now we are going to write volume of room will be equal to LBH. So volume of room is 125 into 12.25 equal to 25 into 9.8 into H. So now it is going to be 125 into 12.25 by 25 into 9.8 equal to H. So here it is going to be 5 5s are 25, 25, 5. After decimal, 10 will go up. After decimal, 100 will go down, equal to H. So now 20 times gone, 0 0 gone. So now it is coming as 1225 by 2 6 18, 2 8 16, 2 9 18, 190. 196 by 1225. So 196, 98, I think we should go for 5, 5, 10 is there na. So it is exactly going to be fine only 255, 9.8, only decimal section. So 196, 1225, 196, 5 is 5, 6, 30, 5, 9, 45, 46, 47, 48, 4, 5, 4, 5 is 5, 4, 9 is coming. So 196, 6, 6, 6, 36, 3, 6, 9, 54, 55, 56, 57, 6, 5, 11. So 1176 is there. So here 15 minus 6 is 9. 11 minus 7 is, oh yo, 11 minus 7 is going to be 4. 49 is coming. Two 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 1 19, 3, 196, 3, 3 6 are 18, and 27, 28. So it is going to be 2, sorry, 6 now. Ten minus 9 is 1. Then 18 minus 9 is 9. Then 196, 5. Already we got 980. Near about that. So 6.25 approximated coming. 6.25. Absolutely correct, Satyashri, Vishal, Ashwin, Shrutika, Shikha. In reverse order I am telling the name. So like this, tomorrow also we will have a revision. Tomorrow I will be just start revising surface area and volume. Construction revision, offline class I am going to see your construction, how you have prepared construction. So start watching the videos of construction, what I have made for you. And tomorrow surface area and volume, tomorrow there will be 2 sessions. Okay, one session will be in morning, another session will be in evening. So tomorrow first session I am going to take what you called polynomial chapter, surface area and volume, and one more chapter I am going to mix, and total 20 question I am going to give you. And let's see how fast you are going to solve that question. So first to start preparing, whatever doubt will be coming. Morning class, I think I'll keep morning class at 7 o'clock, because tomorrow school holiday is there, na? For you school holiday is there? Tomorrow school holiday is there. So 7 o'clock can I keep? Okay, tomorrow school holiday is not there for you. Okay, then evening only class, school holiday is there. So 2 sessions like 6 o'clock if I will keep, Shikha, then you will be able to attend, na? Okay, 6 o'clock I'll keep. One session I am going to keep in morning 6 o'clock, very important session. All important questions I am going to keep that time. I'll be first giving questions from polynomial, and then surface area and volume, remaining questions will be giving. And then evening session we will be going for what you call circle chapter, and then quadrilateral chapter, like that we are going to do. Okay, so all the best, enjoy your evening, start practicing nicely. Question if you will be wanting, I will be providing your questions. Bye, good night.